Okay guys, so in today's video we're gonna work on the wheels. We're gonna restore these wheels. They're from a BMW E36 N3 19. The ones that I'm gonna use on the back are going to be a bit wider. It's like 9.5J and this one is going to be 8.5J. So anyway, we're going to restore these wheels by sanding them down a bit, and also where they are a bit scratched, we're going to try and level them down. Finally guys, we are finished, but oh wait up, it's freaking dark already. Holy shit, it's already night guys. It's been like 12 hours that I have been sanding these freaking wheels. I'm sick of it. Okay, clean them up and apply primer to them. Let's go.
No. Oh, ha rubato cerchi, rubato.
Guarda che faccio video in inglese, che cazzo capiscono loro.
Buti.
Butti, butti. Check my boot. Stay there. Okay. He's such a good boy.
No, ridi dopo che vedi come sono venuti i video.
Vabbè?
Ridi dopo che sono venuti i video.
Ah, che cazzo hai combinato? Cosa stai combinando? Cioè... Vai, oh! Ci
Vai,
lo
vai.
zoom.
No, no, vai, non ho fatto niente io.
Arrivederci.
Another one.
Why are you gay?
Why are you gay?
Huh? Why are you gay?
Why are you gay?
Why are you gay? Dobbiamo fare già fatto. Questo è più un robo. No.
Perché sei così basso?
Non lo so.
No! Oh, god damn. Desce in base. Oh, ma che cazzo scatta? Però, oh mamma mia.
So finally we managed to restore these wheels. We got the tires on the wheels, and I want to show you something that it's not very wise.
Siliconator! el mecánico que todo lo soluciona con silicón. Silicón por aquí, silicón por allá.
Just added some pasta nera to it. Sì, non so come si dice. And now it's holding like up to 3 bars. So hopefully it's gonna last. Otherwise we will just have to we just have to straighten the rim. It has all these weldings on. Because this tire has been freaking raped, man. The guy was walking with a camber like something like this. It was exaggerated. So now the rims are pretty damaged. Now let's mount them on the car and then we can go for a ride. It's freaking awesome. Raga, ho bisogno di uno che faccia da banana for scale. For scale, per il logo. You have no idea how big this logo is, guys. Me lo fai tu?
For comparison.
For comparison, yeah. Hold it like
It's easy.
hold it like you own it. Holy shit, look at it. BMW. So now it's time to take the BMW for a ride.
Dusk falls, city shadows loom. Graffiti whispers, paint fumes, perfume. Neon signs flicker, a secret code. Streetlights buzzing, heavy the load. Moonlit pass, a silent serenade. Treading softly, memories fade. Concrete jungle, night so fast. Footsteps echo, shadows cast. Whispers in alleys, stories unfold. Subway steam, secrets untold.